All right. We are testing a new camera setup, new audio in. It's time to get started. Watch this. Welcome everyone to our workshop. This will be a pretty interactive workshop, so I'll present and share stories and slides to you, but you'll also have a chance to ask questions and to work with each other. Now, in a time like this, one of the things that we're hearing a lot of from people is, I can't think about scaling up or scaling forward or whatever you want to call it right now. I'm just trying not to die. And we think that if you're simply playing not to lose, you're missing the opportunity to play to win. The thing to remember is that it will recover, it will bounce back, things will shift, and there's an opportunity in all of it. And we really want you to be the ones who are leading the recovery, not the ones suffering. So if you had a strategy that was working and now things have changed in the world and it's not working anymore, it's time to update the strategy. We want to start to look at how do we use these tools in the context of this time, not what was it like scaling up 6 months ago, but now. This is that distilled collective wisdom of the book, the frameworks, the authors, and all of the stuff, not just what I have to share. As brilliant and handsome as I may be. Apologies for being irreverent. It's one of my traits. We want to get you started or take you to the next level, but I'm going to give you a lot of things to think about today. Your job is to listen for the one or two bits that you're going to swallow and actually take advantage of and use going forward to apply right now. Jennifer's dog has joined the workshop.
My dog got upset that I wasn't paying enough attention. I gotta get him off.
There are two big tools that we would highlight more than anything else. Get your team right and get this vision summary done well. And the ripple of how you operate gives you the company you've had so far. So if you want to apply our tools and do all the things, that's great. And it will make a difference. But if you keep being the same old crummy kind of leader you've been with all your good and your bad things, then you will keep getting the kinds of things. You will pull the company back down to your level. So you want to level yourself up, change up your habits, let go of the things you used to do that you're never going to be great at, and focus on what you do and what's awesome, and acknowledge what sucks and stop doing that. Let's get smart. Let's use this time to shift things. Do not be complacent.
He's a sailor, triathlete, pilot.
Grown companies from startup to over $5 billion.
Without further ado, I present Bill Gallagher.
There is opportunity in all of this, and it does just require flexible thinking.